Hello guys, welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. Very good morning one and all. Now in previous session we discussed about different activities, right? Memory test activity and guessing activity, listening activity, different ways, empathy and sympathy, lot of different emotions and expressions also we have learned. Everything is body language skills also, everything is undercomes communication skills, because that much important communication is. Now here communication activities, here is one of the best activities, slant strategy. This is also one of the best activities. Let me explain you about slant. Slant means, S means sit up straight, sit up straight. L, listen. A, answer and ask questions, answer and ask questions. Next, nod. Next one, track the speaker, track the speaker. This is the very important thing in slant strategy. Slant strategy works out very well because straight, sit up and straight. Let me explain you with communication here. Sit up straight means we have to sit in a good position, we have to sit in a good position and we have to be straight. If you are lying down or leaning down means we are not interested, it indicates. So that's why we need to go with a fit, we need to sit. Next one, listen. Listening is very important skill, I said, because we have to make listeners or speakers interest. So that's why we need to listen or observe carefully while speaking any other. Next one, answer and ask questions. This is a very important thing. If one person is speaking there or one person is teaching there, we need to answer. It means if he asks or she asks any question, we need to answer. Either right or wrong, that is different, but we need to answer. That indicates that we are listening or we are observing that. Okay, we are not diverting our mind or distracting our mind. So here we need to answer and ask questions also. If you put the questions, the speaker also can get understand, okay, they are listening properly and they are getting some doubts. And here nod. Nod means support or approve. Support the speaker. Nod means, that means we are giving that facial expressions or body language, everything is supporting the speaker's voice. Means whatever speaker speaks, there we are supporting. Okay, fine, it's going on, yeah, please continue, like that we are going. That is track the speaker. Track the speaker means wherever speaker goes or moves around the room or around the anywhere, then we need to observe speaker. Okay, now I am teaching here, if you are looking at me here, okay, I am going here and you are also looking at me. Understand my point? That is track the speaker. It indicates that very important skill, because a trainer can get understand and can get interest more, then they can easily follow your way also. Understand my point? Here sit up straight also, listening also, answer and ask questions, nod and track the speaker. These are the 5 things, very important slant strategy. And let me explain you about this. Here, how to get effective communication and what are the tips for effective communication. First one, for good communication, make a good conversation or communication. Second one, physical cues. Cues are there. Third one, put challenges. Fourth one, put thinking instead of knowing. Informal charts we have to follow. Informal charts. Understand my point? Here everything is important. Make eye contact. Make eye contact. 7th, turn tracking or turn taking. These are the skills you need to observe, very important. Here, good conversation skills. How to make a good conversation skill means, here if you are talking to anyone or if you are listening anyone's any topic or anything, we need to say, wow, is it really? Okay, good. I'm going this type of, yeah, is it really? That's interesting. This type of words if you use, then it will be a good conversation. It makes some interesting. Physical cues means body language. And sit straight, whatever I said, slant strategy works out here. Understand my point? Next, put challenges. That means if you are not talking to anyone, put challenge means you need to ask, okay, how it happened, what's going on, I don't agree with that, how can you prove itself, how can you say this is true? This type of challenges if you put, then they may think in a different angles, so that they can get lot of ideas. That is also one of the strategies. Next, put thinking. Let them think in different aspects about all topics. Informal charts means if some people are there, okay, if I'm a trainer here, I'm in some college, okay, as a trainer, then some of the students are there. Then there after my class also, in front of my class, if when I am talking to them, I need to ask about other topics also. That means, okay, what about other classes, how it's going on, and what are the things we are, how you are observing, and how you are going good or not. These are the topics we need to talk, just informal chat. Yeah, what's going on and how are you enjoying your holidays? This type of, if you follow this type of way, then easily they can get interest. Make eye contact. They need to go with a good eye contact. Eye contact is also very important skill for making the speakers or listeners observe and interest, get more attention. Turn taking, this is also very important skill. Turn taking means if you are talking to anyone, or one person is one, okay, some students are there, some 10 students. Here I am giving one topic to one person. They need to pass the topic. They need to pass. This is a very important skill. Okay, these are the topic tips you need to observe. And here 8th one is answer and ask the question. Ask questions. Put lot of questions and put whatever you feel or what is your opinion about the answer, you need to put there, so that we can easily understand and speaker can get more interest to teach or train or talk. Okay, these are the tips for getting more communication and effective communication, so that if you follow this type of ways, we can easily improve our students well regarding communication skills. Okay, this slant strategy works out very well. Please do follow and okay, make it practice, make use of practice in a correct way, so that you can get good results. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much. Ask open-ended questions. That means then